have to eat the pancake as well, okay? The strawberry good with maple syrup.
Is mine cooking, my love?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Ayla. Yummy.
Good morning.
Happy?
Happy?
What day is today? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Who's coming today?
We got practice. That's to do its practice.
That's Tita Michelle's package.
Who's coming today, Arla? Who's coming here?
Tita Ritz and Michelle.
Tita Michelle.
Will they bring you presents?
Yeah.
Really?
And we do my hair.
Lucky girl. Pancakes and get your hair done. So spoiled.
Not yet.
Oh, you will be. What does Daddy get? No.
With Daddy, Daddy, Mama.
No.
Daddy's getting pancake too. Yung kay Daddy.
No.
Meron din yung carrots. I put carrots in their pancake, so yours will have it as well, but that's okay.
Sorry.
I got that, Daddy. Yeah.
Daddy's got a lot, yeah. Daddy's a big man. Good morning! Happy Wednesday! You guys, look at the cullet behind me. The cullet is real. Ayla, it's very messy, ate. Nag-toilet lang ako, guys, because I needed to go. Ilang minuto lang yun, ha? And, paglabas ko, yan na ang nangyari. Kinuha yung quilt sa bed, nilagay dyan sa baba. Lahat ng mga blanket na nahanap niya dun sa kwarto niya, dinala niya dito. And yung mga pillow na sa baba na din. Anyway, that's okay. Not the end of the world. Ligpit lang natin yan before tayo malis. It's 10:36 ng umaga. We can't open it. Clean up your mess before we go. We will go get cocoa siguro, guys. Alam niyo bang gusto kong nachos? Nachos na naman. Kagabi ko pa siya iniisip na gusto kong mag-nachos. Hold on. Alright. Can you clean up your mess, please? So we can go? Alright. Thank you, Gail. Hello, please help Ate Boy. Help Ate.
It's me.
Help each other, please. Sige na, guys. Be good.
It's me.
Oh, wow! Tingnan niyo yung ilong ko. Meron kasing parang blackhead. And every time minugasan ko yung mukha ko, naano ako kasi may bump talaga siya. Tapos, okay lang sana kung bump na ganito yung mga mili ako, sanay na ako sa kanila. Meron siyang itim. So, I picked it. And now it's red. But, mawawala naman yan. Pero, kailan ko ba ito pinik? Gabi yun eh. Parang the other night ata. Ko dito. Ha? Magli-lipstick ka, boy? Look at ate, oh. Ate's cleaning up. Thank you, ate. Alright, where should we go first?
Mom, can we get milk tea?
Milk tea?
Yeah.
We can.
Mom, we do milk tea now.
I think we need to pick up package first. Remember the package from Sunday? Yeah, so Kuya left a card. We have a card. So we will pick up the package first. Kasi yung Coco mag-open ng 11:30. Sinabi ko ba sa inyo kung saan kami pupunta? Pick up namin yung ano ni Ayla, uniform. Nag-text na sa akin na available na daw yung iba. But yeah, since I have time today, let's just go. And I will let them know as well. Now we will be away. Just in case mag-text sila while I'm away. But first, we'll pick up the package. And then we'll go get the uniform. And then it should be 11:30. We can get cocoa. And then we will get dumplings. And then we'll come home to eat lunch. Sounds good, kids?
No!
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Wait, let's just make sure that I have money. We don't need your money. We just wanna make a world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the ka-ching, ain't about a bubbly. Si Arlo. Meron talaga lipstick ang aking dodong dito sa musoon. Nag-tint kasi yung lip tint na nilagay niya. Wait, let me just check if I have my ID here. Oh! I have my wallet. I usually don't bring this wallet. Do I have my ID here? Yes! Alright, let's go, kids! Kasi darating sila miss today, but mamayang hapon pa. Go! Alright, let's go! Oh, diba? In fairness talaga sa tripod, lumalaban talaga siya. Oh, nakatayo lang kayo dyan.
To your house.
I'm not in my house now.
Oh no! You're not in your house. Oh no! We're going there.
Show them Arlo's face. Show them Arlo's face. Can you see Arlo's face?
Ala, the lipstick. The lipstick, Arlo. What happened to your face?
I don't know.
You don't know? Did you put lipstick on his lips?
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't. No, I didn't.
That
He did it
What
himself.
happened to his lips?
he did it, so
He did it himself.
You like your lips? You like your lips? I like your
I want to
lips.
see Miss Sound.
Oh my gosh. Tita, ate, tita.
Tita Michelle's driving. And we are going to your house.
I'm not in my house, see?
But you're not in your house. Oh no, what are we gonna do? We're just going to Arlo's house. What are we gonna do, Ayla? Should we just go home?
Say, I'll be home soon.
I'll be home soon.
We're gonna go home? Because you're not there.
Dito na kami sa uniform shop. I mean, uniform shop. Sa claw machine. Katabi lang nito yung uniform shop. Palaruin ko muna saglit. Kasi wala pa, hindi pa open yung Coco. Hindi na sila humihingi ng pera. Alam na nila. Hindi nila ito makukuha. Hindi nila ako maluloko. Doon na si Arlo. Tapos na kami sa uniform. What is it? You tell me.
This is it.
What is it?
This is it.
It's Yakult. But you want the milk tea, yeah? You want the pearls?
This is that.
Which one?
That.
Sanitizer? Do you want some? We got our cocoa. Isa lang guys, kasi last time nag-order ako ng dalawa. Hindi talaga namin naubos. Hindi ko na gusto yung mango, ano nila, yung mango Yakult. Iba na yung lasa. Ewan ko ba? Ay, ang ganda pa. Oh, brown na brown. Minsan kasi puting-puti, parang pearl milk tea lang. Let me just drive to the dumpling place. Okay, ate? Ay, guys, we're home. We did everything that we needed to do. Na-pick up ko yung package ni Miss. Na-pick up ko yung uniform ni Ayla. Nakapag-coco. And then I ordered dumpling cake. Oh my gosh, ang tagal ko nang hindi naka-dumpling cake. I always order extra sauce. And it looks different this time. Kasi nung last order ko sa kanila, which was ang tagal na, dry yung sauce nila. And gusto ko yung ano nila guys, chili garlic oil. Yeah. Ang sarap niyan, as in. Ang dami nito. 15 pieces lang kasi. Pork steamed dumplings and the rice is really good as well. It's from Dumpling King. Yung sauce nila yung the best, but looks like they changed it, so hopefully it's still good.
Mommy, are we so you wash the dishes?
Huh? You wanna wash the dishes?
Can we help you?
Oh, you can help me later. We have to eat first. Subuan ko lang itong mga to because
Right now.
I don't wanna clean up a mess.
I don't want to clean up the mess.
I know. You don't wanna clean up too, do you?
I don't want to.
Yes.
I just want to have dinner.
Yeah, I'll feed you.
Thank you, Mommy.
That's alright, baby. Alright, kain tayo mga guys. Oh my gosh, na-miss ko to. And akala ko, yung dating nila miss is hapon na hapon pa, yung papuntang dinner na. Hindi pala. They will be here siguro mga in
But Mommy don't have
an
one. I don't want.
hour. Pero tulog si Arlo niyan. Pork dumplings. Dami nito, guys. Kain tayo kasi kailangan ko nang patulugin si Arlo after nito. Damihan ko na kasi para sa aming tatlo to. Alright. Let's eat. Ang konti lang kasi nung kasama. 15 dumplings na yan ha. Ito lang yung kasama. So, I always order extra. I need an extra spoon. Para pag subo ko sa kids, hindi manghang yung kanila. Alright. Gutom na ni. Nag-ano naman ako. Breakfast pero konti lang. Yung ano lang leftover na pancake ng kids. Tapos kape. Wow. Arlo! Oh my gosh, ang sarap ng ano nila. Sauce. Yummy, Arlo? Come here for more. Dishwasher's in. Oh, it's finished! Yay!
What's that? It's Sunday.
It's not Sunday, it's Wednesday. Who's here?
Tita Michelle.
Tita Michelle. Alright, do you want to open the door? She's so excited. Let's go. Let's go, quick. Aw, hold mommy's hand. It's okay. Tumawag si Miss, 1 minute away na lang daw sila. Salubungin natin kasi sabi ko wag kang mag-doorbell kasi tulog si Arlo. Oh, they're here. I can hear their car. Oh no! Where's Tita Michelle?
Where's Tita Michelle?
Where is she? Ala, gibutang. Nasa baba na yung koko.
Hindi na nambok magatin.
No, as in. Bitaw day, nanambok siya ko.
Hello.
Give Tita Michelle a hug.
I don't know. I want to see Tita Michelle.
There's no tita.
Tita Michelle, Tita Michelle.
Puro Tita Michelle. Arlo sleeping. Oh, pag ano mo, unload mo ko.
Where are you going?
Diretso sa present. Oh my goodness, you lucky girl.
Present.
What is that? Oh, what? Are you gonna be a fairy?
As for Arlo, I think dinosaurs.
For Arlo. Oh my gosh, that would be perfect sa plane.
Atik man ay mo dai.
Respetar naman iya. Unsa man ang kuan?
My mommy opened this one. This is nice.
A wand. For ano dancing. Ay, lalo. Tita Michelle's helping.
Wait.
Oh my goodness.
For your dancing, Ayla.
What do you say, ate? What do you say?
Dance like that.
You dance and
One more. Here.
Respetar na niya. Ooh! That's perfect with your skirt. Sige daw, try.
when you dance,
And put your wings on. Do you wanna put your wings?
hello everyone! Welcome to our vlog! Nindot lagi niti. Palit ka! Financial year na? Pa-end na. Mapalit ko. Ano saan ko palit? Before ko mauli. Wala na.
Gising na si Dudong.
Lubod.
Allah. Say please.
Okay, let's wait for
Bumaba siya. Happy-happy niya habang natulog niya eh. Oh. Ayan na naman yung favorite niyang toy. Hala, ang happy-happy niya.
Yay!
Atas pakinggan mo, mag-ano yan. Ininame niya yan lahat.
What's the name? What's the name?
What are they, Alo? It's an egg. It's an egg.
It's an egg.
What's that, Stegosaurus?
Si Ayla galing ka mo tulogin sa
Oh my gosh.
toy.
Cute na good ana. It's for Arlo. At least alam niya na kay Arlo yan. Na-open na niya yung...
What about this one?
I
What's
think
this
that's
one?
Spinosaur. What's...
Pipsasaurus.
Basta Saurus.
How about this one? What's this one?
Stegosaurus. That's Stegosaurus.
That's a dog.
That's a cute one.
No, this is
Napay bed.
That's the bed of the dog.
O, diba? Buti na lang nag-declutter tayo ng toys. Dami niya na naman
Kuya,
toys.
ito na i-on, babe.
Raptor.
we have to turn it on first.
T-Rex, bro! Oh, Alo? Who gave it to you, Alo? Oh, T-Rex! What do you say? What do you say?
Hello, yung toy.
Nawala na talaga ang manners. Lalaro na sila. Medyo lumalamig na. Ha? Alright, give it to me here. I'll fix it for you. You don't really need the basket, do you? Do you need the basket? Yung lipstick ni Arlo, lumalaban talaga guys. Oh, lip tint pa. Long lasting. That's Arlo. Catch me! Bahay na si Dan guys. Kakarating lang. Chika-chika. Then alis na tayo. Mag-aharpat kami eh. Palit lang ako nito kasi umuulan. Tapos ang lamig-lamig. Ako na talaga naka-sleeveless. But this will keep me warm. You need a jacket, ate, because it's cold. Where's your pink puffer? Like this.
Pink puffer?
Yeah, pink puffer jacket.
Pink puffer duck.
Is it in your room or is it in the car? I don't even know. I don't remember anymore. And then Alo needs to wear a jacket as well because it's cold, ha? We're off to Lock Hotpot. Merong hotpot na malapit lang sa amin. Na hindi namin alam kung bago pero kakakita lang ni Dan recently. Relax, Daddy. Go to us. So they're following. It's raining. Ulan, guys.
I know it.
You know it?
Cloud is back. And the rain cloud.
Rain cloud.
Rain cloud.
At school.
A what?
Cloud is
Rain cloud. Oh.
There's no rain cloud. There's no white cloud.
Oh.
There's only black cloud and rain.
Oh my gosh. Well done, baby. Is that why there is rain?
Yeah.
Because of the black clouds?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Very smart. Good job, baby. Thank you for teaching us. Rain, rain, go away, come again. So, nandyan yung Seoul Express. Diyan kami laging bumibili ng Korean food. Yung, sabaw.
Opak, anyhow.
The hot pot is there. So, it's close. Ooh.
Oh, it's busy.
Busy. Agoy. Ah, here. Reverse it.
It's very cold.
Maybe they're total.
You just got to lift the thing, that's all, because we'll get cooking later.
Dito na kami, guys. May planggana na si Dan. Laki-laki. Planggana. Tapos nandito yung mga drinks nila. You want the purple one? Alright. Put mermaid there. The mermaid will swim. Dito na yung kay Michelle. Oh. Ano yung kanya? Bone broth? O milky bone? Bone milky soup? Na spicy. Dito na yung mga bata. Tapos na sila kumain eh.
Eat away.
Sino ba? British naman ako.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Is that got give you a number?
Ha?
Number.
Ito yung amin. Share lang kami ni Miss. Ang laki kasi. Yan yun na naman. Masarap?
That's one of my things I lost it.
Yammers daw.
Completely wrong one.
Oh no.
That's alright. I learned a lesson.
The fork then?
No,
Yung
I'll
kay
grab-
Dan, iba yung ini-expect niya.
Rich.
Oh,
Then
grab chopsticks, please.
sorry.
Cool. Thank you. No, you're alright.
put it all.
Stir-fried yung sayo kasi pinili niya
I should have
stir-fried.
known better.
Why?
It's okay.
I like that. I got chilies.
Huh? What did you say? Did you mild? Did you say
The
mild?
weakest one. Might just edit that.
Yeah.
Like a few chilies. Looks like a lot. I got all the seeds out.
Huwag duha miski kuha sa nidanak mo.
This will still be alright.
Yeah, it will be good, but I'll give you a lot of soup.
No, because he doesn't like spicy either, so I think that's gonna be too spicy
I,
for
reckon
him.
I said the weakest one, but it looks like it's covered in sesame seeds.
Chili.
Chili
That's
seeds.
kind of spicy na. Yeah, no, that's just sesame seeds. I don't think that's chili seeds.
Yeah. Let's take
You'll
a
be
look.
alright. If
Just
you
get the chili, dried chili.
diba? Pag stir fry kasi. Gusto niya yung may sabaw. Stir fry yung you want to laugh at your
I just thought like the flavour was gonna be like stir fry flavour. Like stir fry.
They took it literally, malap. It's their fault. Very baby. Kain tayo, guys. Oh my God. Yummy? Don't tell Danny.
If it's good, just don't say it.
Yeah, no, I'll have a
Don't
taste.
say anything.
Dito kami sa claw machine. Nakakuha na yung mga bata, guys. May tig-iisa na sila. Maliliit. Ang cute. Ooh! Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh! Ay!
One more. We have one more try. One more try. Kanina dapat.
Meron na siyang dalang isa. Oh. It's okay. Look, 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 look. They're gonna get this. They're gonna get this.
Okay, 1:30.
Look, ano? Wala na, nahilak mo. Tinutulungan nila mga tita nila. Oh. Kanina pa si Ayla doon, si Arlo still going. Just there. That's perfect there. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, go pee, quick. Arlo, did you help? You helped them. Good helping. Sus, buyag-buyag ng gwapo na mong dudong. Ay. Go, Arlo.
Go, hello. Push all the way down. Push.
You can do it. Ayla. Close the door daw, Daddy. Privacy. Keep going, Alo.
More. This one?
Balik siya. This one, Alo. Anong araw dyan ang toilet, ay? Hello. It's 11:13. Nag-edit ako, guys. Kasi si Arlo hindi pa yan matutulog. Ang tagal pa niyan matulog. So sabi ko, mag-edit na lang ako. Kasi hindi naman niya ako kinukulit. Yung dalawa yung kinukulit niya. Pabalik-balik siya dun sa kwarto nila. Ngayon nandito siya, but mamaya babalik yan. Matagal siya natulog kasi ang haba ng nap niya, diba? And Ayla fell asleep really late as well. I usually put her to sleep pag mga 8:30 na, higa na kami niyan. And tulog na yan siya before 9 kapag may school kinabukasan. Kanina, we got home siguro mga 8:40. Tapos, we did her nighttime routine, brush her teeth, all that. Ayaw niya matulog. Naakyat ko siya before 9 actually. Kaya lang, ang tagal niya natulog. Kasi iniisip niya siguro ba, ayun, tumakbo na naman si Arnold. Iniisip niya siguro gusto ko pa maglaro. But she finally fell asleep just before 10. So, it was a late one for her. But that's okay. She's sleeping now. And buti na lang I'm still up because my midwife just texted
Meron sana kaming midwife appointment bukas ni Dan ng alas 10. Tas feeling ko meron siyang delivery kasi sabi niya hindi siya pwede bukas ng umaga. Kasi naplano na namin ni Dan na samahan niya ako tapos si Arlo iwan lang namin sa girls. But now she's no longer available in the morning. And meron akong pick up ng alas 3 kay Ayla. Sabi niya daw, hoping I'll be available after 11. Hoping, so not definite yet. Late na siya nag-text so I'm pretty sure she's in the middle of something. Which is totally fine. But I don't know if I can move it. Kasi malapit na kaming alis, guys. And I need to see her just before I go. So yung alis namin is in less than a week. Pwede din Monday. Monday is gonna be too late. Dapat Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We'll see. Anyway, hey boy, you're back. Did you play? Do you want to say goodnight to the guys?
Sit down, Mom.
Sit down, okay. Oh my gosh, your energy. Say goodnight to the guys. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Here, oh, here. See you later.
See you later.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Dinosaur.
He loves his dinosaur. Say goodnight, be good.
Dinosaur.
You showing the guys? You love having your titas here? Did you go to your titas room?
For T-Rex.
Fight T-Rex. Wow. Alright, come on. Anong oras pa ito matutulog? Tulog na tayo ba?
I'm dizzy, Mom.
Nagtatrabaho. Are you dizzy?
Dizzy.
Oh, nagtatrabaho din kasi si Dan. Nasa bed na laptop din. Wait, so, come on. Let's lay down. Yeah, let's turn off the lights. Lay down. Let's sleep na. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on.
I'm dizzy.
Huh? You're dizzy? Why? Did you spin? You spin? Many times? Oh, careful.